So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Original Card Professional. After a long time we came back for something long, multiple round layer and the unique techniques of styles you've seen already in the presentation. How I was flowing the layers is very sleek and very bouncy as well. So today we're going to be discuss about how to do with round layers and proper way and without compromising the length. And my client was demanding to need more same the length, and according to that she wants to add something perfect layers which can be connect with very uniformly and it will be neat as well. So in that I was choose with round layers, and that help up through the comb also I'm going to be explaining you before start the haircuts. So let's get started to the haircut. Before that I would like to request you all of you, if you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And finally I'm starting to the one length basic before going to be start the layers. The one length basic which can be carry forward according to the length, which can be give something more perfect layers, the long layers, and giving up to the fundamental ups to the length which can be going to be carried, how much elevations you make and just clear top of that. So that is the basic foundations we need to do every hair, each and every haircut. And I hope you all understand whenever we start to the every process step by steps and must clearly and able to learn this kind of haircuts, and you can easy to do for any of layers you can. So after that I pick the center profile and exactly elevating the towards the O directions and just adding the layers according to that length desired, and rest of the hair it will be cutting which is curve part which is comes to that after that 120 degree. And the step by step parallelly I'm just going to be taking as the sections, distributing the sections as step by step, thin section, and according to that just giving to the as a layers, and the following the same techniques and ethics as up. So thin section is majorly impact the layer which can be give it to the nice and clean finishing, and it gives to the bouncier look and cleaner look, and it will be end up the style which looks like very clean and finishing it all. So ensure whenever you can do the haircut, must pick into the thin section and add the layers. You'll be see a lot of difference with the bulky layer and section by thin section layers. It will be make a lot of difference. After that I'm cross checking in the one section, and after that I'll come to another side and just picking as stationary guideline from the previous side and just going to be carry forward the rest of the same as it is which we done the previous side. So ensure guys, whenever you carrying the long layers and the guideline is majorly impact through the create to the perfect of the layers, and it will be very good things to be give to the finishing up and efficiency layers, and end of the race looks clean and neat and very uniform. So and also we can compromise the length as well. Both the side is got finished, and finally I'll come to the side portion. The side portion also before start the layer and just giving to the one length basic. After that I'm just rest of the hair picking in the layers. One more section. The last section we're going to be finished the one side. After that, just cross checking. Finally, I'll come to another side. The same thing that before adding the layers, we just giving one leg basic haircut. After that, stationary guideline pick from the back. Rest of the hair merging in the layers. And that section also is going to be finished, and I come to finally the fringe section. After that, I'm showing to the before styling messy layers, and before the styling I'm just giving to this volume spray. After that, I'm emulsifying help up to the comb, and finally we start the blow dry. And after that, I'll come to another section. Finally, I'll come to the side portion. So we'll come to the center side, one more side portion. Finally, I'll come to the center portion. To the front section. So finally got released with complete of the haircut after styling, and this got complete of the final finishing. You can just see how it's flowing top to bottom the layers, and that can be finishing up to the round layers. And before itself I told you the small effects it will be give it to the big difference on the haircut layers, that can be completely transforming with very clean and nice finishing. Its layers was visible, very bouncy and plush bouncy look. And the side bases I'm showing to my client with complete of the layer after done the haircut. After that I'm just going to be add the texture. So going to be finished, the fringe portion will be last, and just a little more adding a slice after the short more layer fringes, and that will be a final finishing. So this will be a complete of the last finishing of the presentation of long round layers. Hope you all are understand and enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you really like my video, please hit the like button, and we'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.